So in this video, we're going to show you how to adjust your weight transfer spring from 1 to 4. We're going to show you how to adjust the height and its position within the slot on the front of the machine. So as you can see, this gate is in the wrong position on this machine. You can't actually get it into any of the positions. We need to set it in number 4. So we're going to put it across into number 4. Then we're going to come across the front of the machine. We're going to hold the clevis up into the top of the slot. Loosen off the 2 screws above and below the actual gate where it slides. So as you can see, if we move it up and down, we're going to hold it all the way to the top of the slot, push down firmly on that gate, and then tighten it up into position. Now we know that when we're in number 4, we are right into the number 4 slot on the front linkage. So this is how our weight transfer system works. We've got a big spring which locates into these crocodile teeth on the front linkage. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, which are the 1, 2, 3, 4 positions you find on your selector. When it's in number 4, we want to be right in the top of the slot. So when we're adjusting that gate, we need to be right up here, right in the top of the slot. You'll notice obviously the pin moves up and down in this slotted hole. The pin needs to sit right in the middle of the slotted hole when it's being adjusted. The way we adjust this is by loosening this lock nut off and adjusting it on this 3/4 size nut just behind.